For we are to God the fragrance of Christ. 2 Corinthians 2 verse 15.
Leathery. Slightly. I think the thing that I'm getting is the leather. There's some form of a leather that, just at the initial spritz. It's very sweet, woody, extremely sweeter than Frank Olivier's own. Welcome back to my channel. For those returning subscribers, thank you very much. I know that our channel is growing, and thank you for all those that have subscribed to the channel. I don't take you for granted. Like, I appreciate you, and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. Today on the channel, I am doing a video. So a friend of mine sent me some 3 perfumes, and then I wanted to share with you. Like, I was so excited. I came in today, I was like, you know what, let me just share this with you today. So it's a UAE brand called Lattafa, and the brand, according to Fragrantica, they've had their first release in 2014, and then the newest release that they've had out is in 2018, and they have a few fragrances that have been a hit in the fragrance community, especially their Ragba, and then the Ragba Intense Wood. It's been very, very, it's been a hit. If you Google it, you find a lot that is being said about those fragrances. But today I have 3 of their fragrances that I want to share with you. So the first one that I have is this right here. And this one is called Velvet Oud. So it comes in this very beautiful velvet with faux leather case. It kind of is resemblant of how Jean-Paul Gaultier does his cases. And the bottle, oh my god, it's so pretty. I was so shocked because she won't tell me the price, but I went online, I checked the prices, and on eBay it ranges between 12 to 15 pounds, and sometimes in dollars is about 20 to 25 dollars. So this velvet oud, it has a very heavy, it's like a crystal cover like this, and the cover has Latifah written in it, if you can see it. And then this is the bottle. It has this like a solid gold, it has prints. Let me clean it. I've touched it so much, it has my fingerprints on it, because let me clean it. Okay, so it's nice now with no print, as you can see, and then it has velvet oud. So I'm not going to lie, I have smelled this already. Like, I had to spritz and smell, but it's a fantastic. And you see, can you let me just give you, it has like a very good atomizer. I wanted to name my friend, but she doesn't want to be named, so I wouldn't name her. Thank you, friend. So, oh my god, it's a very nice. So it smells like sweet. I smell like incense, some kind of oud, but it's a bit bitter, and some spices. So it's sweet, woody, and spicy. This smells like something that will last very long. It smells, there's something in it, I don't know, that it's a bit medicinal in it. Maybe it's the kind of wood that is in it, but it's sweet. There's definitely vanilla here, and there's some freshness, cleanness to it, maybe some form of musk. It's a very nice fragrance. I was shocked. This is my second, because Ragba from Lattafa is my first experience to with the UAE brand, and this was my second. And I mean, yes, it doesn't smell like the kind of oud that I'll find in my Manceras, but I think that for the price, I haven't taken it to know how long it lasts, but it smells fantastic. If you are one that is looking for, it's an oud fragrance that it's very fantastic. When I was doing the research, I know that they said it's a clone of some fragrances, but I didn't really pay attention to it. From the bottle, it smells slightly leathery, slightly. I think the thing that I'm getting is the leather. There's some form of a leather in it. It smells a bit leathery. It's a very good fragrance. I can't wait to try it out. And I like the presentation. It's very pretty. It's very, very pretty. She got it from some client of hers that is from the United Emirates, my friend that gave me. And the second one, what did you think about this? This is another one from the same house, Lattafa, and it's called Oud Mood. Oud Mood. So it comes in this, it's like this cylinder like this. It's a paper cylinder. At the back there's the information about the company and the website. There's the ingredients there. At the front it shows the house, which is Lattafa, and it has this, it looks like it's metallic, but it's like fabric. It's very nice, and when you open it, yeah, it doesn't fall off. The cover doesn't fall off. As you can see, it hangs nicely on it. It hangs really nicely on it. And then the bottle, oh my god, this is another heavy bottle. It's a nice bottle. I just think, for me, I didn't like, I may pull off this thing, these ribbons on it, because it's a nice bottle, but I feel like the ribbons, it looks like the bottle is, I don't know, it's like the bottle has been restricted. I feel like the bottle is restricted. It's not feeling free just by this. It's a beautiful bottle, but I think it's an overkill with the ribbons and everything. And the top here has Latifah on it. What I noticed was that this is heavy. This is very heavy. It's like, I don't know what metal they used or they put in it. It's very heavy. The bottle too, for the price, this too retails on Amazon and on eBay. It was about 13 to 15 pounds. Some people went as much as 18 pounds for this. It's a 100 ml bottle, and on Amazon it was between $23 to $26. So this is it. It is the Lattafa Oud Mood. So let me spray that one. Whoops, I put it on my hand. They have very good atomizers, I have to be honest. Oh gosh. So this one reminds me of Frank Olivier's Oud Vanille. It reminds me of that, just at the initial spritz. It's very sweet, woody, extremely sweeter than Frank Olivier's own, with some spice and incense. I smell spice and incense. This is beautiful. Just the opening, this is Oud Mood is going to be my mood. Like, I am going to, oh my dear friend, I thank you. Like, this one, I'm going to enjoy it. I'm really going to enjoy it. So this one smells very much, it smells like a sweeter version even of Mancera's Oud Vanille, but it's just that the ingredients here, it doesn't smell as good quality as that is in, like, the oud in Oud Vanille by Mancera is smoother. This one is a bit, you know, when you're listening to, you know, then when we had CDs and then there's a scratching, there's that, it's not smooth. You don't get the smoothness. So yes, aside that, this is a good, I don't know if it's a dupe, but that's the resemblance that it has for me. So if you're one that likes, it's very similar to Frank Olivier. It's on the same level with the house of Frank Olivier's Oud Vanille. But if you feel like Oud Vanille is too smoky for you, this one is not as smoky as Oud Vanille. Rather, it's sweet. It's sweeter than Oud Vanille. So if you think that Oud Vanille is too sweet for you, I think this will be good. But I have to really wear it on my skin to be able to tell you. But just by first impression wise, I think that this one has some resemblance to Frank Olivier's Oud Vanille. And then the last but not the least, I had to do a bit of research on this one. This one is called Bawadi, and it's by Bawadi by Asdaf. I think Asdaf is like so Asdaf, when I did my research, Asdaf is like another house by Lattafa, but probably like a lower, less expensive house. So this, the bottle is very pretty, I must say. I like the bottle. It's just a brown bottle with Bawadi on it. And then it has some detailing on the side of the bottle. The top, it has this very nice gold detailing. Just that the cap, it doesn't hold. So the other caps, they click. This one clicks in place. You can see, and then you can hold it by the cap. It won't fall. The second one too, but with this one, the cap, I didn't show you that. This cap clicks in place, and then you can just hold it by the cap like this. but this one, it's the quality. Well, the first thing I noticed was this is like some flimsy plastic, so I want to believe that this as Duff is a lower end of Lattafa. I know that they have some luxury. From my research, I saw that they had other high-end luxury brands like within the Lattafa, and even luxury creations. So just like Lancome will have Maison Lancome that has a higher, or the, you know, every house has like Armani has the Armani Privé collection that is a bit higher. Dior too has the Dior, the private collections and all that. So I think that they too are kind of doing that. So this one, let's see. Okay. So this is also a sweet oud. I like it. This is a sweet oud, very resemblant to the Ragba, but this is not, there's no sugar. I don't smell sugar here. So that caramelized nature of Ragba is not here. So this is like oud and incense and vanilla. So this smells like oud, incense, and vanilla. And then the oud here is a bit more pungent. Is a much more, almost resemblant to how pungent the Mansera oud is. That's how pungent this one is. But the dry down, there's no sweetness. At least now the sweetness is gone. The sweetness was there for like 3 seconds. It's gone. And now you can smell oud that is very smoky, but not too pungent. So that's what it is. I don't know. The speed with which the smell went away on this one should tell me that it probably doesn't last so long. But I thank my friend for it. It's one that I would like to try. So I'll come back to you and let you know how it went, you know, and then do like a whole review on it. Let me know if you would want me to do more of affordable brands, or, you know, celebrity, because I know that now everybody has a bit of difficulty here and there. The times are a bit hard, so nobody is indulging in very expensive fragrance. Like, well, if you have the money to, it's your money, and I would you do as you want to. But if you just let me know, comment down below if there are other Middle Eastern brands that you've tried and then you would want me to go on. If there are other brands that you think I should try, just let me know, especially on Middle Eastern brands. So if you're not subscribed at this point, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also like this video. Don't forget to leave your comments. I love to read from you and interact with you. So like I say always, stay safe, stay scented, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.